Hi guys, you are on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about Google Maps. I'm going to tell you how to use Google Maps without internet. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open Google Maps. If you want to use Google Maps without internet, you need to download offline maps. Tap Profile Picture. Then tap on Offline Maps. Select your own map. Select the area you need. You can zoom in and out on the map. Then tap on Download. Wait until your map is loaded. When you download the offline map, you can use Google Maps without internet in this area. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. Do you think I can do it? Please write in the comments. Also check out our playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.